Hello everyone. So in our today's lecture, we are going to discuss about one more important topology which you need to know about it. That name is ring topology. So in ring topology, all the devices are connected like a ring because all the NIC cards are connected with one-to-one device, and second device is like third device is fourth device. You can watch that design. If packet transfer from 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, so it has to send from one PC to another PC. So what is the concept behind ring topology is, ring topology is associated with NIC cards which are directly connected to the next PC from my side. Like you can say it is for the next hop. So in this concept, all the network configuration creates a circulated data path as you are watching on my screen, and one token is passing from one PC to second PC, second to third PC, and third to fourth PC. So each network device is connected to two others. Like you can say this is known as point on a circle. Device in ring topologies are referred to as ring network. Other permits data to move in either direction, which is known as bidirectional. And the important thing in this network is ring topology use token concept. So what is the concept of token? You can see if my PCs are connected in a token ring topologies with associated workstations, servers and another device, then token ring is like a star-wired ring topology in which when first PC send data to second PC, then at that time it sends first token to second PC. Then at that time of interval, when first is sending data to second, third and fourth are not able to communicate with each other. And in this token concept, shielded and unshielded twisted pair cablings are used, but the transfer rate of the cable is 4 and 16 Mbps. Okay, so likely the worst topology is not used nowadays. Similarly, ring topology is not being nowadays because these both topologies are like you can say old topologies right now, which is not suitable for new devices which are used in current scenarios. And what is the problem that we are not using ring topology nowadays? Because the reason is it has only one pathway between every nodes. If my first PC is sending data to second and second sending to third, at that time fourth and 5 cannot ping with each other. All the data devices are connected in a ring. So if my single link will be the failure, whole topology will be affected. And very orderly networks where every device has access to the token and the opportunity to transmit. So in unidirectional ring, there is a problem. A data packet or token must have to pass through all the nodes. So that's why if it is passing data from first node to every node, then it is slower in performance as compared to another topology. So neither bus topology is used nowadays, neither ring topology nowadays. So in our next video, we are going to discuss about more topology. Thank you so much. Happy to learn.